Hi guys, today I'm gonna to show you how we renovate the roof. First of all, we be power washing the roof with the moss. We use professional high pressure power wash to give good clean of this roof. Like you can see over there, there is all tiles. Here is new fresher tiles, but over there is old tiles. I'm gonna to show you other side. We clean the chimney as well. Like you can see, is a lot of moss. So this is the other side. This is old part as well. So this extension is a little bit newer. Like you can see, there is no coating on it. I think this is 40 years old tiles. Okay, we clean and we paint the chimney as well. Yeah, you can have a look. The old tiles and pretty new tiles, few years old. You can have a look the chimney as well. Before is a little bit moss everywhere. We give a good clean. Like you can see here, there is kind of yellow